Welcome, travelers. My name is Johanna Quinn, a certified travel professional and owner of Echoing Magic Travel. My goal is to help couples reconnect and make memories that will echo for years to come through amazing and personalized travel experiences. After 10 years of marriage, my husband and I firmly believe that what keeps bringing you closer together is making personal memories with each other. We do that by exploring the world together. As a firefighter paramedic, I've been able to help so many people on their worst days, but now I help them plan their best days. My husband and I love to pull up pictures and videos from a trip months or years later and just sit and remember all the memories of the adventure we dared to take. Time is the one resource you cannot get more of, no matter how hard you try. It should be treasured and invested into experiences that will draw you and your soulmate closer than ever. For our 5-year anniversary in 2019, my husband and I took our first cruise. We decided we were going to have a once-in-a-lifetime experience while we were on this trip. So we flew in a helicopter onto Mendenhall Glacier during our Alaska cruise and visited a real dog sled camp on the glacier. We learned about the history of dog sledding, met the teams, and yes, we even learned how to drive the sleds. It's a memory that echoes to this day, 5 years later, and one that we cherish. It also inspired us to keep making more memories like that. Through our personal travel experiences inspiring me, I became certified through Careers on Vacation as a travel professional and started Echoing Magic Travel so that I could help couples just like my husband and I grow together through travel memories. However a couple needs us with travel planning, we can help. Maybe it's the next romantic getaway for two, a destination honeymoon, a family vacation with your kids, or a group trip with multiple friends and family. In today's day, with so many couples both working full-time, and as we said before, time being such a valuable resource, let us help you by taking the time and stress away from the planning and building you a vacation worthy of echoing and magical memories.